The sensor data on the screen shows the alignment is perfect.
Yes, the quality on this sim is excellent. Proceed with the next sequence.
The thickness levels are perfect on the rear panel.
Agreed. The gloss is flawless.
Thermal readouts are stable at 220 degrees Celsius.
Surface integrity check is green across all panels.
The sensor data indicates a slight deviation on the rear quarter panel.
Let me verify that reading manually.
We have a bottleneck forming in zone 7. We need to reroute the next batch.
Adjusting the flow now. The southern bypass is clear for the graphite models.
We have an opening in lane 12.
Yes, the AGVs are rerouting automatically. The spacing looks good.
All systems green on the diagnostic tablet.
Good. We can authorize the transfer to the staging area.
Alignment confirmed on Sector 4.
Copy that. Proceeding to the next sequence.
Eastbound shipment is delayed until 1400 hours.
Noted. We'll adjust the standby positions for the next window.
Dolly 3, confirm position update.
Confirmed. Proceeding to lane 12.
Walkthrough complete on aisle 4. Check the manifest against the secured loads.
Confirmed. Everything is properly braced for transport.
The final audit looks good. We are clear for release. Excellent. Initiating the outbound sequence.
VIN match confirmed on axle 7.
Confirmed. All green on my side.
Panel alignment tolerance is acceptable here.
All units, final check complete. Clear to proceed.
Confirmed. Beginning rollout.
Alignment looks good on this batch.
Confirmed. Ready for release.
Sweep confirmation received. All parameters within tolerance.
Logging validation complete. Ready for staging.
Auto slides confirmed. Yard is clear.
Acknowledged. We are ready for phase 2.
Starting charge.
Phase 1 alignment complete.
Confirmed. Ready for release sequence.
Perimeter confirmation complete. All carriers are stationary and aligned.
Noted. Finalizing the report now. Good work.
Signal is green. All protocols met.
Confirmed.
Control, Unit 4 reporting. Confirmation received, holding position as instructed.
Roger that, Unit 4. Perimeter is secure. Stand by for release.
Clear to move. Proceed now. Scan complete on Unit 7. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Clearance issued.